Dad's baby is a runner, a hammerhead. I think I'm gonna give you away as a Christmas present to the kids next door. See how they make out.
Okay.
So, what's going on here?
I just finished Johannson fisheries. And everything should be good now. I got test run it tomorrow. Seats are in, steering wheel's in. I just sprayed this kind of straight black here so it's not jagged. That's the brake pedal.
Okay.
And this is the fuel switch. I marked it red here and red here. And the tip of this switch is red. So you want the left tank or the right tank? That's it.
Okay. So, do you know it works actually at that level? You were worried that it might be too high?
No, it works. Everything works. And there's his master switch, on, off. That's his battery that he brought here, heavy duty battery. That's the kind you need. And everything is hooked up on eyes because I put special clamps on that have wing nut eyes. So you don't have to use 4 nuts and bolts to tighten everything down. Now, if he has trouble, he can just undo this nut here, right?
Yep.
Slacken this off, undo that nut, take the hose off, slide the tank out, and then he can get in here to his hydraulic pump or hoses or whatever.
So is this, let's just take a quick video here, the Parts Master Heavy Duty.
Yeah, that's a good battery. And as soon as it came in, I put his name on it, so he's got his own battery. He shouldn't need another one. This is all hooked up now. All the oil is good. So I'm going to start it here right away and shift it a bit, and should be ready to go. I put a light spring on there so that there's no pressure on the caliper at any time. Like it's on release.
Okay.
It actually comes ahead to put pressure on that lever.
Okay. And the seats, they're all, you got that installed since I saw everything last?
That's in. The door openers and cables are all on. And this used to jiggle a lot, but I can't do nothing about this because he bolted this seat to that thin chunk of tin, so there is a little movement yet.
Okay, but it's secure enough?
Yeah, it's secure.
Steering wheel on? So
yeah, that's done.
Done.
So, and they can't take it off unless they get some pointers, because you can't pry the steering wheel off.
Okay, it looks a lot cleaner underneath.
So now we'll start it, and you check all the lights.
Okay.
Now, we're in park, but should always put your foot on the brake just in case you're in gear.
Okay, is the master switch
on? Have to go and put the master switch on.
Master switch on.
Okay, come over here then. This computer tells you when everything is ready to go. It says is ready. Is that the door? Jesus Christ. I don't hear the fuel pump. What the fuck? No. Fuel pump kick in?